In this video, we take a look at what SAP HANA actually is, the technical principles behind it, and why this platform has become so important for companies worldwide. We explore its history, its unique in-memory technology, and its possible applications, and gain an understanding of the role HANA plays in the SAP world today. SAP HANA is a database and development platform that was introduced by SAP in 2010. The name HANA stands for High Performance Analytic Appliance. HANA was developed to significantly accelerate the processing of large amounts of data while enabling real-time analysis. The most distinctive feature of HANA is its in-memory technology. Traditional databases primarily stored data on hard drives and only loaded into RAM when needed. With HANA, on the other hand, data is permanently stored in main memory. This eliminates many time-consuming read and write processes. Data can be accessed almost immediately, as RAM is many times faster than hard drives. Another key difference is column-oriented storage. Traditional databases stored data row by row, while HANA organizes data by columns. This has two advantages. First, data can be compressed significantly, requiring less storage space. Second, analytical queries can be processed much faster because only the relevant columns need to be read. HANA also brings together two worlds that were often separate before: operational processes and analytical evaluations. In the past, companies had to transfer data from operational systems, such as an ERP system, to a separate data warehouse in order to perform analyses. With HANA, transactions and analyses can take place on the same database. This enables real-time analyses that immediately access current business data. The architecture of HANA consists of different layers. At its core is the database engine, which can process both relational data and unstructured information. In addition, HANA offers integrated functions for text analysis, forecasts using machine learning, and the processing of geodata. These additional tools make HANA much more than just a database. An important milestone was the introduction of SAP S/4HANA in 2015. This ERP system is based entirely on the HANA database. This opened a new chapter in the history of SAP. Business processes that used to take several hours or days, such as monthly closings, can now be performed in real time. S/4HANA demonstrates how much HANA's performance has changed the design of processes. In addition to the classic on-premise version, where HANA is operated in the customer's own data center, SAP has also opened up the platform for the cloud. With SAP HANA Cloud, the company provides a fully managed database in the cloud. This can be scaled flexibly and is integrated into major hyperscalers such as Microsoft Azure, Amazon Web Services, and Google Cloud. This makes HANA even more attractive for companies, as they can choose between local operation and cloud use depending on their needs. HANA has a wide range of applications. Companies use the platform to operate their ERP systems, evaluate large amounts of data from sensors in the Internet of Things, or apply machine learning to real-time data. HANA thus becomes a kind of digital nervous system that brings together data streams from a wide variety of sources and makes them immediately available. HANA is also well positioned when it comes to security. The platform offers extensive functions for user management, access rights, and encryption. This ensures that sensitive business data is not only quickly available, but also reliably protected. In summary, SAP HANA is not just a database, but a comprehensive platform for processing and analyzing data in real time. It forms the basis for modern business models and is at the heart of the current SAP strategy. This brings us to the end of the video. In this video, we learned that SAP HANA is an in-memory database and development platform that stores data in columns, enabling it to achieve exceptionally high speeds. We have seen that HANA combines both operational transactions and analytical queries, enabling real-time processing. We have also learned that HANA forms the basis for S/4HANA and can be used both locally and in the cloud. This makes it clear why SAP HANA is now one of the key technologies supporting companies worldwide in their digital transformation.
We hope the video helped you. In case you got any additional questions or comments, please leave a message below. See you next time, your advist-Academy.